Gonna have a little fun with spin art today. Got inspired by Kathy Miller. She did a wonderful, beautiful flower color combination. And I'm gonna do something similar. Let's see how it goes. The first thing I want to do is just cover the canvas with white. This is 2 parts Floral, 1 part white paint, and I'm just going to spread that around. I'm just going to start off with yellow in the middle. Now I'm going to take my mini blower and do a little bit more. And I just have this tool just to bring some of it out like this. A little design before we spin. All right. And let's give this a spin. I hope I have enough paint. All right, let me bring you in for a close-up. I really like the colors. I don't know why, and I love the drips instead of the, I mean, the splatters are good, but for variation, I dig that too. So this is how it turned out. Let's see how it dries. I didn't get a lot of sales. I got some there and some over here. I didn't get much going on there, but I like it. Since it's outside, I put a protective cover over it. I'm going to leave it out here for about an hour and then I'll bring it indoors. All right, here it is all dry, and it didn't change much at all. I'm quite happy about that. We've got a nice little design happening in there. Not a lot of cells. I was hoping for some of those, but love that, like a water splash. And the drippings. My floor squeaking as I move, but there it is, and I'm liking it.